discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Tell me first what you got and your name.
Alex, I got 4 DD Z3 15s on 2 M5As for now. Later I'll go and redo my battery bank. 4 M5As half home.
Did you build this?
Yeah.
Very nice. What's your box spec? Do you know that?
Just tuned to like 34, 35 volts.
Okay. All right. Did you ever meter it?
Not since I did the box.
Okay. All right.
She's the vicious, texting her and asking her if she's alone. Since I get some pictures, she said, goddamn, over and see it for yourself. We're asking for your help and for yourself.
brand new wall, man. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, no problem.
Nice to meet you. Is there a way I can see the port real quick?
See what?
The port?
No, hatch don't open.
They don't? Oh.
I gotta fix it.
Base broke? Okay, don't worry about it. Hey, thanks for the demo. Have a good day. Sounds really good.
But I'm Gerald, and I can always have just what I want. She's the baddest, I would love to flaunt. Take a shot, but you know he's Saint Laurent. But no, she ain't with it though, because she got her own dough. Boss, if you don't know, she can never ever be. Don't try to change me in any way. She's the best. Vicious texting her and asking her if she's alone. Some pictures, she said no. Goddamn. First, it for yourself. Or asking for your help. And for yourself. Take a shot, but you know he's Saint Laurent. But no, she ain't with it though, because she got her own dough. Boss, if you don't know, she can never ever be. Don't try to change me anyway. She's the best. Vicious texting her and asking her if she's blown a some pictures. She said no. Goddamn. First, it for yourself. Or asking for your help. And for yourself.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.